Welcome students to how to upload and download from Schoology your files. This is going to be incredibly important so that I can give you a file and you can give me a file. So here's a student view of our Schoology class, and you can either search for the appropriate assignment where you need to download a file from, or you can possibly find it in your upcoming assignments bar on the right. So this assignment that I'm currently showing you is the upload and download practice. If I click that, it'll take me directly there. Now, what I need to do is click on the file that I would like to download. So you can see this image is already displayed. When I click that, it's very large. I'll need to scroll down, down, down until I see download image. When I click that, it'll create something in my downloads bar at the bottom. You should not leave this file in your downloads folder because it will become a mess and hard to find things. So when you click the arrow next to that file, you should choose Show in Folder. That will allow you to see all the things that you've downloaded and move things out of your downloads folder. So here is my download. I can use the keyboard shortcut Control X to cut, or I can right click and choose Cut on that file. Now I need to put this in a folder where I can find it. I suggest you make one called Computers and Art. So if you see here, I have some organized folders, and I have one that is called Computers and Art for short, CIA. And now I can paste it, Control V, and there it will pop up at the bottom, you see, or I could have right-clicked and chosen paste, but it's grayed out now that I've already pasted away. So you should always save things in an organized folder on your computer instead of just leaving it in the downloads folder so that you can find things later. And you do that by choosing Show in Folder when things pop up on the downloads bar at the bottom. So we've downloaded from Schoology. Now we need to download from the internet. I gave you a link to Unsplash, a website that has copyright-free images that you can download for free. Find the image that you want to download. So for this exact assignment, I'm saying a pet that you would like to have. And this dog reminds me of my old dog. Not very creative, but that's okay. So I'm going to click on it. Once I've clicked on it, in the top right corner, we have download free. If you click the drop down, you'll get more options for size. But if you just click that one, there you go. You don't need to do anything else with any of the pop-ups, but remember the directions. So you click on the arrow, you click Show in Folder, you take this file that's named for the photographer, and you can Control X to cut it, or you can right click and say cut, and move it to your Computers and Arts folder so you keep things organized. So now I can show you the right click to paste. It'd be pasted into that folder. You should always download an image instead of copying and pasting it. Some of you might be tempted to right click on this and copy the image, because when you do that, you get a much better version of the image. The image that you see right now is teeny tiny. The image that I downloaded is very large. It doesn't matter if I want to look at it teeny tiny, but it matters if I want to zoom in and crop things out. It'll become pixelated if I try to get too close to a low resolution image. So you'll see the little boxes, the little pixels that form the image. Whenever you're doing digital artwork, you want the best quality image to start with. So now you have downloaded two things, and I need to see that you are also able to upload. So in your Schoology assignment, you should have something on the submission side here. I don't, because I'm in a pretend student assignment. So what I can show you is how it's supposed to look. So you should see a box like this. So in your upload window, you're going to click on File, find your two files where you save them, which should be in your Computers and Art folder. and then choose Submit. You'll be able to see what assignments are attached in the pop-up window, like the example on the screen here. And when you have both of those attachments, then you will be able to choose Submit. That way I will see that you're able to upload files, which is really important when turning in your digital work, to Schoology as well.